Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Supreme Court rejects Goa government's arguments against Shah Commission report, says Shah. CEC and PAC report almost same, suggests a regulator by MOEF. EAC to submit its report on Goa mining by 15th October. Forest officials and Tiger Authority arrive in Goa to decide on buffer zone. Tara Kerkar criticizes role of Goa police in dealing with Yasin Bhadkar's activities in Vasco, addresses media with the lady whose son went missing. Prime Minister constitutes 7th Pay Commission for central government employees. New pay scale expected to be implemented from January 1st, 2016. And big prize money All India cycle race on 2nd October, 50,000 rupees for winning 25 kilometers race. Now the news in detail. Supreme Court on Wednesday rejected Goa government's arguments against Shah Commission report on Goa mining. The court stated that the contents of Shah Commission, CEC and PAC report are almost same. SC has suggested a regulator by MOEF to keep a check on illegal mining. Meanwhile, EAC will submit its report on Goa mining by 15th October. Forest officials and Tiger Conservation Authority have arrived in the state on Wednesday to decide on buffer zone. Supreme Court has decided to continue hearing of the case on 1st and 3rd October.
The hearing on Goa mining case continued in the Supreme Court on Wednesday. Goa government continued its argument. The Apex Court expressed worry over certain issues. Supreme Court comments, there are many rules pertaining to mining and environment but lacks enforcement. Supreme Court questions, how will government compensate damages caused due to mining? Mining cannot be permitted only in interest of few rich. Supreme Court refers to Berlin guidelines on sustainable development. State must come out with a border proposal based on equity. Supreme Court comments, court is not interested in politics of situation. If Shah Commission has overreacted, argue on the fact. Supreme Court sympathetic with Goa government over submission on improved technology that has made possible recovery from dumps. Goa government has put forward some of the recommendations. Some of them are being accepted by the Supreme Court. Independent regulator or Lokayukta, regulated to give monthly status reports. Supreme Court requests MOEF to appoint counsel. Regulator has to be tough to ensure strict implementations of acts and rules. Regulator will have powers to suspend defaulters. Goa government replied to the Supreme Court with regards to the 45 million metric ton of ore. Government said that this figure was provided with reference to 2005 mining figure. MOEF will complete macro EIA of Goa mines by 30th September. Meanwhile, committee of MOEF has arrived in Goa to examine environmental clearance issue. Union Forest officials and Tiger Authority are also reaching Goa to decide on the buffer zone. EAC will submit case-by-case report to Goa mines by 15th October. With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Social activist and Marmugao councillor Tara Kerkar has criticized the role of Goa police in dealing with Yasin Bhadkar's activities in Vasco. The mother of the missing youth, Imtiaz Khan, reiterated that Vasco police ignored her complaint and did not take cognizance of her info regarding the accused. Meanwhile, District Registrar of South Goa has reserved order on the plea challenging validity of the committee running controversial Shafi Masjid at Baina.
जे वाड्यावयले भुरगे आसा थंय इल्लीगली कितें तरी चलता ह्या भुरग्यांनी ते दाखोवन दिल्ले आनी आवाज उठयल्लो इवन पुलीस स्टेशनार सुद्दां आवाज उठयल्लो ते तेंचो तो प्रेसिडेंटाक हे केला तो कोण काशीम बुदू म्हणटा तेणें लेटर केला प्रेसिडेंटाक की आमी मिटींग खंयची तरी घेता आनी त्या मिटींगेक ठरावीक रेजिडेंट भुरगे जे आसा ते बोवाळ करता आनी ताका लागून आमकां ती वेवस्थीत मिटींग घेवपाक जाय. कित्याक लागून मिटींग घेतली, कोणाची आनी ती खंयसली हांगासर यांची कितें म्हणटा तें भटकळचे लोक येवन कसली मिटींग घेतली, पुलिसांनी हेजी चवकशी करपाक जाय, आमचें म्हणणें हें आसा.
Mother of missing youth Imtiaz Khan said that accused Abdul Hamid had taken 5 youths from Vasco on pretext of giving job, but only 3 of them returned and there is no information regarding missing 2, including her son. She also alleged that later the accused had returned. She informed the police about his whereabouts but nobody took cognizance.
पुलिस बोलती है हम लोग इनको रिकॉर्ड है, हम लोग गाड़ी उधर लगा के रखे, इधर लगा के रखे. हाँ, कितना बार बोल के जाएगी मैं औरत जान, बताओ. पुलिस का काम है उसको पकड़ के, मैं बोली भी इधर आया है उसको पकड़ो सर बोल के, इतना तक ये भी की विनती की वो लोग से, तो एक नहीं सुने वो मेरा. हाँ, एक बार मीटिंग गई थी मैं, तो उसका फोटो ला लेके जो लेके गया ना, उसका फोटो तो नहीं है. मैं किधर ये की तो फोटो नहीं मिला उसका मेरे.
बरें, ते 3 जाण परतून येयल्ले आसा तेंची बी चवकशी, तांकां खंय व्हेल्ले, कितें व्हेल्ले तेंचीय चवकशी करा न्ही. खंय काम करताले, खरेंच ते बोटीर काम करताले.
Meanwhile, District Registrar of South Goa has reserved his order on petition challenging validity of committee running Shafi Masjid at Baina Vasco. The masjid is under Goa Police's scanner and controversy for alleged funding by father of Yasin Bhatkar. Reporters Mukesh Kumar, Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has constituted 7th Pay Commission on Wednesday for the central government employees. The new pay scale recommended by the commission is expected to be implemented from January 1st, 2016. The government has given about 2 years' time to submit the report.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has constituted the 7th Pay Commission on Wednesday. The new pay scale recommended by the Pay Commission will be implemented from January 1st, 2016, as the government has given about 2 years to the 7th Pay Commission to submit its report. The Pay Commission will give its recommendation on the salaries, allowances and pension of about 80 lakh central employees and pensioners. The government constitutes Pay Commission almost every 10 years to revise the pay scale of the employees, and often these are adopted by state after some modification. The timing of the decision make it clear that the government is trying to please the employees before the next Lok Sabha elections. The 6th Pay Commission was constituted in October 2006. It was implemented by the centre ahead of 2009 Lok Sabha polls. Most of the central government employees got a big pay hike because of it. Now the 7th Pay Commission will take a review of pay scales. The commission has been set up under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. This commission is later recommended in state. Government employees have been demanding 7th Pay Commission from a long time now. Earlier, 6th Pay Commission had a major impact on the Goa state budget. It has already burdened state treasury, but revenue from mining royalty rescued the state. And now it's the turn of 7th Pay Commission. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.